Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to see or discuss key business negotiation strategies. We have already seen three key business negotiation strategies in my previous video, and that are: first, work toward a win-win situation. Second one is open the negotiation with a high ball or low ball offer. And third one is set an expiration date for your offer. Now we are going to discuss fourth strategy of business negotiation, and that is use mirroring to show that you are paying attention. Professional negotiation training often focuses on the principle of mirroring. What is exactly the mirroring is? So mirroring is the repetition of keywords used by your negotiating partner. Suppose you and another party is on the table for negotiation, and another party is using some keywords, important words in his speech. So you have to repeat some important words orally before the party so that you give confidence to that party that you are listening attentively, patiently, and with concentration. The technique can be especially effective when you are repeating words that our counterpart had just spoken. Mirroring lets the other side know you are paying attention to what they are saying, and it shows that you treat their views with close consideration. You just try to utter the words which is already spoken by another party. By doing this, you are not only showing that you are paying attention on their speech, but also you give assurance of your patient listening. Then the next point is send clues with body language. It is also quite important thing to send clues from your body language. One of the more subtle yet effective negotiating strategy is to stealthily show negative body language when you presented with an offer you don't like. You presented with an offer you don't like, and for that you show negative body language. For instance, if you are offered a lowball price, you might allow yourself to visibly flinch. If you are offered a lowball price, means the price which is not expected to you and which you are not agree with. So you might allow yourself to visibly flinch. You can show negative body language to another party. This flinch may communicate your reaction on a more visceral level than any vocal response. You need not to give any oral or vocal response, negative response to another party for the offer which you don't like. but you just show negative kind of body language so that the party will understand that the offer which is given by that party is not acceptable. So it may cause your partner to recalibrate. It will cause the another party should rethink over the offer. So strategic use of body language can quickly simplify complex negotiations and lead to business success at the negotiation table. So body language is a important thing that you must know what which your action will send what message. So you have to concentrate on your body language. If you are not ready to accept the offer given by another party, you can show negative language. If the another party is offering the handsome amount or handsome offer to you, and if you are agree with that, your body language will be different. So negative and positive body language, you should think over it. Then and then only the negotiation will lead to the success on negotiation table. Last point is, that is sixth point or sixth strategy of business negotiation is embrace the best alternative. Embrace the best alternative to a negotiated agreement. What is this agreement? Negotiated agreement. If both sides are steadfast in their positions, if both sides are stand on their stance, getting to yes may be impossible for one or both parties. In short, both parties are not agree on the offer and not ready to accept the offer, not ready to say yes for the offer on negotiation table. The best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Once again, I would like to repeat. The best alternative to a negotiated agreement. In short, it is called BATNA. BATNA. B means best, A means alternative, T means two, N means negotiated, and then A means agreement. So this BATNA establishes parameters for what happens if no agreement is reached. If both parties are not reached to the solution or the conclusion or the acceptable offer, then this BATNA is applicable. For instance, if a worker insists they need a raise to remain in their job and their boss simply refuses. Suppose the workers of the company wants to stay in the job and the owner of that company wants to terminate the workers from the job, then there cannot be smart or fine or acceptable offer between both of them, because both of them are not ready to accept the final and acceptable solution, because one is trying to remove the workers from the job and another party belongs to workers party, they want to stay in the job. Then here BATNA is applicable. BATNA means what? The best alternative to a negotiative agreement. what the best alternative will be there for negotiative agreement. A Batna resolution might call for the worker to remain in the job for 6 months. What is the best alternative is there? The workers will remain in the job for 6 more months so that they can find alternative job during that 6 months. And at the current rate, after which point they will leave. They have to leave after 6 months. This is an agreement between owner of the company and the workers of the company, that for 6 months on the same rate the workers will work in the company for 6 months, and after 6 months they have to leave the company. While Batna has far more trade-offs than a successful business resolution, it should ideally make concessions to both sides. In this case, the employee has 6 months to find a better paying job, and the employer has 6 months to find a replacement. Means there are two parties trying to find out a better alternative or better solution for them. Employer does not want all these workers in his company. At the same time, employee also wants to leave the job because the payment is not increased by the employer. There may be many disputes between both of them, but now both are ready to break the point. But this Batna alternative allows both of them to work there for 6 months with the same workers on the same salary. At the same time, after 6 months, the workers will leave at any cost. And for that 6 months, the employer or the owner of the company will find some other alternative or some other people or some other worker for the particular job in low payments. So these are best alternatives you can find out as a business strategy. So this sixth, embrace the best alternative to a negotiated agreement, that is Batna in short, will be more effective in complicated situations in business negotiation. We will see remaining part of the topic, actually not topic but the unit, that is third module, business negotiation, in my next video. Till then, thank you very much.